Guys, so I'm back again. I'm gonna do another tutorial. This is another Halloween look. This was actually requested, so I wasn't gonna do this, but I thought I would do it. Anyways, it's just an easy, kind of pin-up-y kind of cat look. So this is a look, and I'll finish it. So let's get started on the side. So I do have primer and foundation and all that good stuff, and I did fill in my eyebrow. I did do this half of right here, just so it's easy. I just lined my lip and then went up and then filled in my nose. So we are using the Maybelline Eye Studio today in black gel liner, and I'm using MAC 266 brush, just a little angle brush, and I just put some of the product in the lid so it's really easy. So we're just gonna fill this in so it's easy. Okay, sorry guys, my cold that I have right now is acting up again. It's making me have the sniffles. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm just gonna take some more and just fill this in. Alright. So that's the lip. Just basic. You want to again take the lid with more products on that same brush. And let's do the eyeballs. So, actually, no, let's do these. The whiskers are really, really simple. You just draw them on. I put 4 dots. And to do these, I just did one long, one short, and one long again. Really simple. Alright, so that pin-up-y eye look, I wanted a kind of dark, sultry kind of pin-up look. So, basically, I went in with, where is it? Okay, a flat shaded brush like this. And I'm using my 88 palette again, and I'm using this really matte white. And I'm also using this light brown color right there, and then this matte black color. So you just want to shade. NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. On the lid, and then blend it. Sorry about my faces, guys. I know they're crazy. Okay, take that flat shaded brush and then matte black or white. Just pack it where you put that white. Make sure it's really on there because you want the white to stand out really good. It's like that. So it's really opaque. And then I'm going to go into a big fluffy brush with that light brown. You only need a little tiny bit. And just go in the crease and up by the eyebrow a little bit. Just so there's like another kind of translucent kind of powder. Well, not like translucent. I can't even talk. But just so there's a contrast. So when you put the dark matte black on, it's not so harsh. Like that. Now I'm going to use my MAC 219 brush. Just a little tiny bit, you don't need that much. This is just going in the crease and then blending it up a little tiny bit. So like that. Very easy. Oh right. You can put a highlight, but because I put foundation on my eyes and prime them, the foundation is pretty good, so that's all. Next step is, sorry guys, my leg is so asleep right now. I'm totally wasting you guys' time, so sorry. Part 2 is up next, so definitely, if this is part 1 that you're watching, definitely watch part 2 and see how I rescue my face. And yeah, bye guys.